In this video, I'll show you how to build a website with Framer. Start by signing into your Framer account and clicking New Project. You can begin with a blank project or choose a template to save time. Once you're inside the editor, start building your homepage by adding sections such as a hero banner, features, about section, and contact area. Use the Insert menu to add text, images, buttons, and other elements. Next, customize the design by changing colors, fonts, spacing, and layouts to match your brand. Replace the placeholder content with your own text and images. After that, create additional pages for your website. Common pages include About, Services, Blog, and Contact. Use the Pages panel to add and organize new pages. Now connect your navigation menu so visitors can easily move between pages. Make sure all buttons and links point to the correct destinations. Once your content is ready, click Preview to test the website on desktop and mobile devices. Check that all pages load correctly and that links work as expected. Next, open the site settings and add your website title, meta description, and other SEO information. This helps search engines understand your website. Finally, click Publish and choose your Framer domain or connect a custom domain. After publishing, your website will be live and accessible online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a website with Framer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.